What are you looking for, young baby boy? Is it these? Is it your very important yellow hoop that you're not even looking at? Or could it be this scabby little stick? It's both, but scabby little stick first, apparently. Off he goes. He's a lovely mover. Okay, that's going to be a bit interesting because this is the Berkshire and Wiltshire Canal, which goes all the way up there with a beautiful sunset. Up there is a double bridge you can just make out. Our intention was to cross over and walk up to Bowood. That's game shooting over there.